Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about static block in Java. Static block is used to initialize static variables after declaration. And to create one static block, first we have the static keyword and then we have pair of curly braces. And inside the pair of curly braces we initialize our static variables. Now in this example program, first we have the class called test, and inside the class we have one static variable called number, which has been declared but we have not initialized it. Now to initialize the static variable we have to create the static block, and to create the static block first we have the static keyword, then we have the pair of curly braces, and inside the curly brace I'm gonna initialize the number with the value 10. Now inside the main method I'm gonna use the print method, and I'm gonna directly access the number and print the value onto the console. So I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna compile and run the program. So you can see the output is 10. So this is the way we can initialize one static member using the static block. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.